Let's take a look at this sentence. Harold taught his children the same principle. Saving for a rainy day is the responsible thing to do. At first glance, it's hard to follow, because the sentence runs together and feels awkward. The word we need to focus on is principle. Let's stop there and ask, is the sentence clear without punctuation after principle? What comes after principle is a full idea. Saving for a rainy day is the responsible thing to do. That's a complete sentence on its own, because it has a subject, which is saving for a rainy day, and the verb is. That tells us something important. We're trying to introduce a full sentence that explains what the principle is. This is the perfect job for a colon. Remember, a colon follows a complete sentence, and it introduces an explanation, definition, or example. So let's test it. Harold taught his children the same principle, colon, saving for a rainy day is the responsible thing to do. That works. We now have a full sentence before the colon, a clear explanation after it, and a grammatically correct and logical structure. So the correct answer is to put a colon after the word principle. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.